Good morning children, welcome you all in our math session. Our division chapter is going on and previous session we have learned about the properties of division. Okay. When a non-zero number is divided by 1, the quotient is the number itself and the remainder is 0. Means if 35 divided by 1, so quotient will be 35 and remainder is 0. Okay. Or when a number is divided by itself, like 423 divided by 423, quotient is 1. Quotient is 1 and remainder is 0. Okay. And when 0 is divided by any number, 0 is divided by any number, the quotient is always 0. This is the quotient. Okay. When 0 is divided by a number, the quotient is always 0. We have learned this in previous session and today we are going to learn estimating quotient. Okay children, look, here is one example. 826 divided by 16 means 826 is a dividend, yes you know, and 16 is the divisor. Okay. Now here in estimating quotient estimating a quotient is a way to get an approximate value of the quotient. Means when we divide this dividend to divisor, then the approximate value of the quotient, here we can get estimated quotient by dividing the rounded values of dividend and divisor. Means children, हमें quotient estimated निकालने के लिए dividend and divisor rounded value लेके division करेंगे and then we will get the estimating quotient. Okay, let's see with the help of this example. Okay, look, here is 826 is dividend and 16 is divisor. Now here in this example we have to round the divisor, this divisor. Okay, 16 is divisor, 826 is dividend. Okay, so we have to divisor rounded to nearest 10. Okay, means 16 rounded off to the nearest 10 is 16. Means see here ones place number, it is more than 5. So we have to add 1 in tens place. So here 16 rounded off to the nearest 10 is becomes 20. Okay, and 826 rounded off to the nearest 100 becomes, look here, 826 and we have to round it off to 100. So we have to see the tens place, and tens place is 2. So no change in 100 place, but ones and tens place 0 and 0, and this 8 as it is. So 826 rounded off to the nearest 100 becomes 800. Okay, and then we have to divide 800 divide by 20. Okay, now it's become easy to divide. Okay children, and 800 divide by 20 we will do here. Okay, look, 20 and here 800. We have to take this 2-digit number. 20 4s are 80. Okay, and then 80088. Sorry, 0 minus 0 0, 8 minus 8 0. Then take this 0 down, but 20 zeros are 0, and like this 800 divided by 20 is equal to, we get 40. Okay children, and this is the estimating quotient. Okay, means children, estimating a quotient is a way to get an approximate value of the quotient. We can get estimated quotient by dividing the rounded values of dividend and divisor. Okay, means here in this example, divisor is 16 and rounded value of 16 is 20, and 826 is a dividend and rounded value of 826 becomes 800, and then 800 divide 20 we get 40, and this is the estimating quotient. Okay children, we will see more examples, okay, for practice. Here in this example, 567 is dividend and 14 is divider. Okay, so 567 rounded off to the nearest 100 becomes, tell me, 567 nearest 100 means we have to see the tens place number, and tens place number is 6. It is more than 5. So we have to add one number in 100 place. Ones and tens place 0 0, and here we have to add 1 means 5 plus 1 600 means 567 rounded off to the nearest 100 becomes 600. Okay, and this 14 rounded off to the nearest 10. Okay, nearest 10. So nearest 10 means we have to see the ones place number, and ones place number is 4. It is smaller than 5. So no change in tens place. So it becomes ones place 0 and tens place as it is 10. Understand? 14 rounded off to the nearest 10 becomes 10. Okay children. Now this 600 divide by 10. 600 divide by 10 is equal to, you know, now see here, when we divide by 10, then this ones place become a remainder and other numbers dividend. Sorry, quotient. So 600 divided by 10 is equal to 60. So 60 is our answer or quotient. Understand children? Let's see one more example. Here in this example, 5762 divided by 18. 5762 is a dividend and 18 is a divisor. Okay. So 5762 rounded off to the nearest 100. See here, nearest 100 means, see the number of tens place, it is 6 and it is more than 5. So add one number in 100 place. 7 plus 1, 8. And ones and tens place, 0, 0. 100 place, add one number, means 7 plus 1, 8. And 5000 place as it is. So 5762 rounded off to the nearest 100 becomes 5800. And this 18 rounded off to the nearest 10 becomes, see here, nearest 10 means ones place there is 8 and it is more than 5. So we have to add here one number in tens place and ones place 0 and tens place 2. So 18 rounded off to the nearest 10 becomes 20. So 5800 divided by 20 is equal to, and when we will do this division, look here like this, 5800 divided by 20. You know table of 20. Here we will take 2-digit number. Okay. So 20 ones are 20, 22s are 40, 23s are 60. But 60 is larger than 58. So 22s are 40. Okay. Here 8 minus 0, 8. 5 minus 4, 1. Then we will take this 1 down. Here we get 180. Then 21s are 20, 22s are 40, 23s are 60, 24s are 80, 25s are 100, 26s are 120, 27s are 140 and 28s are. Here is 20's table. 21s are 20, 22s are 40, 23s are 60, 24s are 80, 25s are 100, 26s are 120, 27s are 140, 28s are 160 and 29s are 180. So 29s are 180. 0 minus 0, 0. 8 minus 8, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. But this 0 is remaining, so we have to take 0 here. But we cannot divide this 0, so we have to put here 1 0. So 5000, this is 290 is quotient, means 5800 divided by 20 is equal to 290, and this is the estimating quotient. Okay children, like this you have to complete exercise 4.4. Okay, we will see exercise 4.4 in next video. Thank you.